pubic bone shouldn't be tender at all during a pregnancy. And if it is, there's a very simple activity you can do to help strengthen the muscles around it. It's called the ball squeeze activity. What you'll do is you'll take a ball that you have around your house. We've got a little basketball that our son uses, and you're going to put it in between your knees. When you squeeze that together, you're going to use 3 different foot positions for this activity. So what you'll do is you'll have both feet together, touching each other, and from that position, you're going to squeeze the ball for a count of 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then relax. You'll do 5 repetitions in that position. The second foot position is with your toes together and your heels apart like an arrow. You'll want to squeeze your knees together again, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. And do 5 repetitions that way. The final position is with your heels together and toes out like a duck. From that position, you'll squeeze your knees together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then relax. There's an advanced activity that you can do that's a combination of the glute bridge and the ball squeeze, and the glute bridge and the band press. What you'll do is you'll engage with both feet together, squeeze your knees together with the ball, and then raise up your hips on the exhale. You'll hold that for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then come back down. You'll do 5 repetitions with that foot position, then you'll go to your second position with your toes together and heels apart. Again, squeeze the ball, take your breath in, exhale all the way, and then lift the hips up so your thighs are level with your ribs for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then come back down. You'll go to your third position with your heels together and your toes apart like a duck. You'll squeeze the ball together, take your inhale, exhale, raise up into the glute bridge, and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. For each one of those, you can do 5 repetitions, and you can do up to 2 more sets. That's the advanced version of the ball squeeze. The band press activity is a companion to the ball squeeze activity. What you're going to do for this one is the same amount of seconds holding, the same number of repetitions, and the same foot positions. You'll want to use something that you have around the house. So if you have an exercise band, great. If you don't, bungee cords work fine. So can a sports bra. Really anything you need that you can use that will be elastic that you can push your knees out against. So when we're doing this exercise, you're going to have your feet together for starters, and you're going to press your knees out for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then relax. You'll want to do 5 of those repetitions. The next set you're going to do is with your toes together and heels apart. This one can feel a little awkward, but what I want you to do is press your knees apart and hold again for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and bring the knees together. You'll do 5 repetitions in that foot position. Finally, what you'll do is you'll bring both of your heels together and your toes apart like a duck, and then you're going to press your knees out to the sides for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then you can relax. You'll do 5 repetitions of that. Just like with the ball squeeze activity, you'll want to do 2 more rounds of that, and then you'll be finished. The advanced version of the band press is similar to the advanced version of the ball squeeze. It's a combination of a glute bridge and the band press at the same time. You're going to use the same foot position. So you'll start with your feet together, and you're going to press your knees apart. Take a breath in, breathe it out to stabilize your core, and then raise your hips up and try to keep your thighs as level in line with your ribs as possible for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then come back down. The second motion you'll do is with your toes together and heels apart, like an arrow. You're going to press your knees apart. Take your breath in, exhale all the way, raise up the hips, trying to keep your thighs as level with your ribs as you can for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then come on back down. The final foot position is with your heels together and your toes apart. You're going to press the knees apart, take your breath in, breathe it all the way out, raise the hips as level as you can for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then come back down. For this activity, you can do 5 repetitions of each foot position and then change foot positions. And we usually recommend doing up to 3 sets of this activity.